Hi, I take this opportunity to explain about our data visualization group project, which is about the airline industry. This is a dashboard which explains about airline carrier performance of ExpressJet. The users of this dashboard are the top management of the airline carrier ExpressJet. We have 5 visualizations as a part of this, that is demand versus supply, routes with maximum cancellation, arrival and departure performance, and average occupancy rate. The first one shows how is the demand for the airline in any particular month, and what is the supply from the carrier. So if you see, there is large demand during November, December and early January, and the supply does not meet actually the demand of the passengers. So top management has to concentrate on how to increase the supply during these demand months, and how they can decrease the capacity during other months. And this is for the cancellations. We see that there are different cancellations, which are 6 and 7 cancellations in any particular year, and this is the origin and destinations. And we do have global filters, and these filters can be used to decrease and see what are the different cancellations between different routes. And arrival and departure performance, we see that there are so many late arrivals and late departures, with the top management has to concentrate on and the average occupancy rate here is only about 30%. So top management should also concentrate on how to increase the occupancy rate. And here we do have the global filters. So the first one is irrespective of origin and destination, so we does not have any filters for that. But for the in order to see the cancellations, we have to use this cancellations, and arrival and departure performance is based on the destination and origins. So if we change the different destinations, there are different terms that were popping up, different visualizations here. So we have only 4 cancellation between this Brownville and Dallas, and this is the departure and arrival performance of these origin destination cities with all the origin cities. Thank you. The second dashboard is about the US airline trends, and this is intended for the new entrants into the airline industry. This is for the entrepreneurs who just wanted to start a new airline carrier in the US. So we do have 5 different visualizations which would help them to assess what is the revenue and net profit of any particular carrier, and what is their utilization levels, and what is the connectivity, and also the fuel consumption, which would help them to plan their operations expenses based on the fuel consumption, and how to make maximum utilization of the available seat per miles, and what are the different cities that were connected, and what are the different cities that have the least number of flights, and they can assess based on the passengers and identify the routes that can be given here. So the revenue talks about different carriers which has their revenue, and also the profit. Revenue minus expenses gives the profit here, and the capacity utilization is compared between the ASM and the load factor. So if we have the ASM here, and the 137% of the capacity is used for this 2014 for selected carriers here. So I can just select one carrier, and we can see the data for only the 9E carrier, what is the capacity utilization of that particular thing, and what is the consumption of the domestic consumption and domestic cost per gallon of this particular carrier. We do have global filter here, which would be affecting all the dashboards given here. Carrier is for all the dashboards, whereas the connectivity between different cities will be only for the origin and destination here. So in this origin and destination, for this carrier, from this origin to destination, we have selected only few destinations here, origin cities here. So these are the number of flights that are available throughout the year. So from the last time we have 70 different flights, and these are the destination city flights that we have. So based on this revenue, net profit and capital utilization, new entrants can plan their entrant into the airline industry. This is about the second dashboard. Thank you.